Hello friends, this is Ganesh from Fource tutorials. The topic that we'll be looking at today is loops, and we'll be looking into for each loop. Before that, we will do a bit of study, a look into for loops as well, so that we can have a comparative study of both for loop and for each. So for a syntax of your for loop, it is like for and then the initialization, condition, and then an iterator. The most important aspect of a for loop is that the condition, if it is satisfied and if it is true, only then the body of the loop will be executed. There is a need that this maximum or minimum bound needs to be specified in a loop for in case if you're using a for loop. Let's look into an example for the same. So what I am going to do is I am going to take an character array, name it as ch. So because it is a character, I need to specify it in a single string. Then what I want to do is I want to type this particular thing out, that I want to print this particular thing. So say for initialization int I is equal to 0. Then I want to find out the length of my array, so ch dot length, and I simply say I plus plus. Console dot write line so ch is the name of my array and I is for the indexing part. Another thing, that is console dot read line. When I say execute, so there you go, I get all the three characters that were specified in my array A, B and C. So again, coming into my for loop, I had to do an initialization, I had to give some conditions, and then there was an iterator. Okay, now we will look into the for each part. Now the for each, look into the syntax part of it, an element in the iterable item. For each works basically with collections only. Okay, this is, you can take it as a good point as well as a drawback, a pro as well as a con. So for each is basically to work around with collections. Here you need not specify any maximum limit. All the hassles of initialization and conditions and iterations goes out over here. Let's look into the example out for it. Now I take another array, say a string array this time. I name it as str. Now because it is a string array, everything will be in double quotes. Now here we will be using a for each loop. So for each variable, I say s in str. Str is my array. Console write line and that's it. There you go. So you get C#, Java and C++. So if you can see over here, there is no initialization, no iterations, and no conditions are specified in the for each loop, but still it helps you. Major thing is it helps you only with collections. Okay, let's look into the difference among them. There you go. The for loop executes a block of code until an expression returns false. The for loop can execute with object collections or without any object collections, while the for each loop needs an object collection only to execute. Okay, I hope this was helpful for you. So if you like the video, hit the like button. Also subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Also don't forget to hit the bell icon for instant notifications. Thank you.